Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel. And today I will be teaching you how to find saved videos on TikTok. So let's begin right away. The very first step is to make sure that your TikTok app is up to date. If not, please go to the App Store or the Google Play Store and update your TikTok app. And then, once you have updated your TikTok app, simply open it and then look for the video that you want. So, for example, you want this video, and then there are actually two ways in saving the video. The first one is to saving your video to your camera roll, or the second one is saving your video to your favorites. So, if you're going to long press on the video or click on the share button right here, and click on Save Video, you may be able to see the saved video to your camera roll or your gallery. So go to your app or to your gallery. So for iPhone, for example, you may go to Photos and look for videos. So for example, I have downloaded this one or saved this one. I just simply go to the Photos app on iPhone, and then I may be able to see the videos under the videos folder. And then let's say, for example, that you have added it to your favorites. So to add your favorites, I'll just show a quick demonstration. Just simply click on the share button right here and then look for add to favorites right here. And then once it is added, you may now go to your profile found on the lower right corner. For the older version of TikTok, you may be able to see the favorite icon right here on the right side of your edit profile. But for the newer version of TikTok, you may be able to see it right here, right beside your likes. So you just press on it, and then you may be able to see the video right here. So that's it. That's how you can find saved videos on TikTok. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.